Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do a topic of dreams. You know, what is your dream? So I always had a dream to become an artist, but unfortunately I mean to say study karke I became a pharmacist, but like that I have achieved my dream. I'm not an artist, but yet I accomplish my dreams by doing artworks. So let's do this. Now see, this will be a very I mean to say हपसी सपसी वाला ड्राइंग. तो ये हम लोग ऐसे करके देखो, सिर्फ ऐसे इंद्रधनुष टाइप्स नहीं है, टोपी है. I am just doing a very rough figure because this time we are not going to do any sketch pen and not a finished figure. You should always try some new arts always, so I am always trying to do something different. I actually wanted to do this drawing with watercolors, but I'm not doing it with watercolors, but yes, I'll do a little bit of watercolors and a little bit of oil pastels. Okay, so this is the hat, this is the topa, this is the face of the girl. Now, if we divide it, this will be the lips, correct? This will be the lips. Yes, I think so, this is right. We are just going to make the nose, and rest others will go in with the colors. We are going to do a very hodgepodge drawing, okay? So this will be the hair. The hair इधर से ऐसा आ रहा है, ऐसा जा रहा है, ठीक है. दिस विल बी द हेयर. द गला तो छुप ही गया, हेयर के इधर से हम उसकी स्लीव्स निकाल देते हैं. दिस इज द ड्रेस. नाउ जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द हैंड, विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो हियर यू गो अप, ओके. यू मेक वन फिंगर हियर, second here, third here, the fourth one is hidden. This is the thumb, and then the brush goes here. आर्टिस्ट बोला तो ब्रश तो आना चाहिए ना, तो वी आर मेकिंग अ, नहीं, वी नॉट मेक दिस एज अ ब्रश, वी विल जस्ट डू दिस, ओके. एकदम फिनिश्ड वाली ड्राइंग वैसे भी नहीं है, बट आई एम स्टिल टीचिंग यू ऑल दिस. अभी इधर से हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा ऐसा टर्न लेके, दिस इज़ द हैंड, ओके. सो शी इज गॉट, दिस इज़ हर फर्स्ट फिंगर, सी 1 2 3 4 and the little finger is hidden here. So it's not necessary to make it, because if you make it will look bad, okay. इधर से ऐसे है, एंड इधर से उसका हाथ सब ऐसा आता है. इधर तुमको घड़ी पहनानी, बाकी सब छोड़ दो. डोंट ट्राई एंड कंप्लीट द हैंड, इतना ही करना है इधर से. नाउ दिस इज हर बिग कैनवस विच शी इज मेकिंग, ओके. सो दिस इज द कैनवस. कैनवस इज अ लिटिल टिल्टेड, मतलब द कैनवस इज, अगर ऐसे स्ट्रेट करेंगे तो वो बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो दिस विल बी अ लाइक अ ट्रपेजियम. और इधर हम लोग को सिर्फ स्लीव्स बताना, और इधर से एक हाथ, शी इज होल्डिंग समथिंग. तो जस्ट 1 2 और नीचे के 2 छोटे, इधर से ऐसा, और इधर से अंगूठा आ रहा है, और इधर से ब्रशेस जा रहा है, ठीक है. ब्रशेस हो गए. शी इज़ होल्डिंग समथिंग, करेक्ट. इधर भी एक्चुअली में 3 ही बनाओ, अगर चौथा बनाते ना तो इट स्टार्ट्स लुकिंग बैड. सो don't finish it, we are going to color it like that. अभी इसके नीचे इसकी ड्रेस इधर गई है. ये we'll make a belt, okay. This will be the side of a dress, this will be a skirt. Now the skirt is also incomplete, okay. We don't have to complete the figure, okay. And here is a tripod stand on which the canvas is standing. So ऐसे, then we can make one like that, and then you can just make a square with one this thing and give one stand here, and there is some hooks here, and it stands, no, this will be wrong, it will be standing here, 1 2. Now you don't have to even finish the tripod stand. This is incomplete painting. This is how an artist paints. That is why if you want to become an artist, you have to draw something which is difficult and which other children have not made yet. So you should always try to be a little different. Now abhi we have to take our colors, and we have to take all our colors, remember. And white is the most dominant color here, I think so. You all can see the figure. Well, hi na. हाय ना बल बल। तो तुमको ऐसा रबर लेने का है और पूरे फिगर को थोड़ा सा मिटा देने का, सिर्फ तुमको दिखना चाहिए फिगर और किसी को नहीं दिखना चाहिए रे बाबा, उसको छुपा के रखना। ओके, सो आई हैव माई ऑयल पेस्टल्स रेडी विथ मी. You know, purposely my gala is kharab and still I am making it because I want to know how I sound when my gala is kharab. Okay, so I am purposely on purpose. Actually, I thought I will not speak, but I am on purpose speaking because I want to know how my gala sounds when I am not having a good throat. So just concentrate on this topa. So first what we will do is we'll first color the entire topa white. साढ़े छिखड़ा में, ठीक है, हमने वाइट कर दिया. अभी हम लोगों ने ये कौन सा कलर है, वॉयलेट. तो हमने वॉयलेट को इधर लिया पहले, सी देखा, और इधर वो जो एक स्ट्रैंड होती है वो लिया, ठीक है. ओके हाँ, और ये टोपी के इधर हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा ऐसा वॉयलेट ले लिया. अभी हमने डार्क लाइट वॉयलेट लिया और टोपी का ये जो कोना है इसको ऐसा हल्का हल्का करके, इफ़ यू ऑल वॉन्ट यू ऑल कैन यूज़ योर वाटर कलर्स एज वेल. अभी इसको इधर से हमने थोड़ा सा, अभी हमने सिर्फ डार्क वॉयलेट की एक लाइन मारी है, करेक्ट. तो हमने ऐसे कर दिया. नाउ यू विल टेक योर येलोज चिल्ड्रन. ओ भग जा, येलोज लेके इसको हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा ऐसा फैला देना है, ठीक है. अभी हम वापस हमको लाइट वॉयलेट लेना है और ये टोपी का, बिकॉज अ पेंसिल शुड नॉट बी सीन. अ मेन मोटो इज दैट अ पेंसिल शुड नॉट बी सीन, है ना. तो ये टोपी के ऊपर का हिस्सा हो गया. अभी ये जो इधर हमने वॉयलेट किया उसके इधर हम लोग ने एक फूल बना दिया, ठीक है. अभी हो टोपी के इधर के हिस्से के लिए वापस से हमने वाइट घसा, डिक चिक ढक चिक ठा, टिक चिक टिक चिक ठा. फिर हमने वापस से थोड़ा सा वॉयलेट कलर लिया और टोपी के ऐसा वॉयलेट कर दिया, ठीक है. ये हो गया वॉयलेट और इधर से भी ऐसा वॉयलेट हो गया. अभी हल्का सा पीला कलर लेकर हम थोड़ा सा, अभी कौन सा पीला कलर लेने का, यू ऑल कैन टेक एनी ऑफ योर चॉइस चिल्ड्रन, एनी कलर ऑफ योर चॉइस. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द डार्क वॉयलेट शेड, ओके, एंड मेकिंग द शैडो एरिया. अभी शैडो एरिया में थोड़ा सा ब्लैकम ब्लैकी भी आएगा, लेकिन वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगी कैसे करना है, ठीक है. सो यू अंडरस्टूड, दिस इज़ द इनसाइड ऑफ द हैट, दिस इज़ द आउटसाइड ऑफ द हैट. और इधर हम लोगों का थोड़ा सा वाइट का कमी था तो हमने थोड़ा सा वाइट कर दिया. सो यू हैव गॉट द हैट डन. ओके, नाउ वील गो विद द स्किन कलर. नाउ टू डू विद द स्किन कलर we are going to take our pencil और पहले हम लोग आइस लिप्स का आइस शेप बना देंगे, मुस्कुराती हुई लड़की, ठीक है. हमने मुस्कुराती हुई लड़की बना दी. अभी तक हमने ऐसा लग रहा है ना कौवा चल रहा है, पर एक्चुअली में ये कौवा नहीं है बाबा, ये सब मुस्कुराती हुई लड़की है. हम लोगों को अभी चाहिए हमारा ऑरेंज, एंड इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द डार्केस्ट ऑरेंज विथ यू, दैट इज़ द जर्मनी वाला ऑरेंज, प्लीज़ टेक दैट. प्लीज़ टेक योर गंदे वाला ब्राउन ऑल्सो. सो वॉट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर टेकिंग आर, दिस इज़ माई चुटकीला पुटकीला जर्मनी वाला orange. Now what you will ask me is what is Germany वाला orange. See, this is the face. इधर मैंने Germany वाला orange कर दिया, इधर lips के ऊपर मैंने ये कलर किया है, ओके, और नोज़ के इधर हमने किया है. You will understand. See, this is the nose position. Okay, a little tough drawing, but yes, if you want to go in for competitions, you are supposed to do a little tough drawing. ठीक है. उसके बाद हम लोग नॉर्मल स्किन कलर लेंगे बच्चा पार्टी, और इधर से हम स्किन बनाएंगे ऐसा, इसका फुल स्किन 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 स्किन, एंड दिस साइड इज स्किन, ओके, and here it will be skin. Yes, we are going to do a little bit of orange too or white also. तो हम लोगों ने इधर स्किन किया. अभी हम लोग का बाकी है. अभी what we are taking is a white color children, and this side, the below part of the face has to be white. Here it's supposed to be white. Okay, अभी Now since we cannot show pencils, we are supposed to draw the orange color. Now what you will take is your गंदे वाला brown children, और टोपी के इधर से इधर बालों से ऐसा करते हुए, दिस इज द शैडो एरिया. यू ऑल विल अंडरस्टैंड. अभी तुम लोग बोलोगे इतना काला क्यों किया? यू विल अंडरस्टैंड आफ्टर द एंटायर थिंग इज डन. यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बिफोर दैट. Okay, now you just have to have your minute wala pencil ready with you so that you can make little sharp turns here and there. Here it will be required here. Okay, this all is dhakela in the shadow area. And yes, the nose has to be bright, so we'll do white again on the nose part. Okay, so, and yes, the lips needs to be smiling. So if you're having your red color pencil or any other color pencil, please make sure to make the lips more smiling nicely. So give a nice smile to the girl. Okay, and since the smile has to be visible here also, you can either scratch it here or you can just put a little white here. A little white here and here to make the shadows look more prominent. This is a small area, so it might look a bit, but then it will start looking nice automatically when the entire thing is done. Okay, done. The face is the best part and it has to be the best. If it is not the best, the entire drawing starts looking bad. So concentrate on the face first. After the face is done, everything will start looking nice. We just may have to make the girl smiling brightly. I think so. Yes, she is smiling. Now let's make the hair. If there is anything tangu pangu, we'll do it later on. Now what am I doing is I'm putting a little yellow here and a little yellow here for the hair. Now you imagine you want to become an artist, and since you want to become an artist, you have to make an artistic drawing. You cannot just make a cartoon figure of a girl painting. Correct? You have to do something different. अभी मैंने इधर गंदे वाला brown किया and yellow, and I'm smudging the colors well. Of course, I'm going to take my blacks. Where's my blacks? No, this is my Persian blue. Persian blue is my black. Have I taken my black? No. I've lost my black. No, it's there. So, इधर हम लोगों को हल्का सा black भी डालना है. ठीक है? अभी इधर से अच्छा भाया ऐसा काहे होता है पापा. So, this is the shadow area here. And yes, the hair will be black here. See, abhi मैं पूरा black, I'm still not doing the पूरा black, I'm still doing a little black here. Now I will take my Parishan blue and I'll do a little Parishan blue here and a little Parishan blue here. See children, I am coloring the hair also multicolored. Okay, so the joy of coloring such a drawing is that you are making it multicolored. उसके बाद again I'm using a little violet, light violet, dark violet, whites. See, multicolored है. And yes, इधर थोड़ा सा violet का tinge miss हुआ है, so let's put a little violet here because it should match with the hair. Now you can see the girl, correct? I hope you all can see the girl. The only thing is that we need to put a little white here for the cheek part and this part because the sun rays are coming from here, here, okay, and yes, of course, here, a little shine here, and we will make the girl smiling away. So she's smiling, she's looking down and concentrating on her work. not anything else. Now again you have your white color children. तो ये white color से हमको ये part, मतलब जो उसका dress का part था उधर हमें white करना है पूरा का पूरा. White is your dominant color to be used. Okay, after that what you will do is you will take your light blue color children. See, an artist will use all the colors. आज डब्बे में से जितने भी कलर्स हैं सब यूज़ करेंगे. सो आई हैव जस्ट पुट अ लिटिल लाइट ब्लू हियर एंड ओके आई हैव पुट माय लाइट ब्लू. नाउ आई विल टेक माय ग्रे रोज कलर. दैट्स द फेवरेट कलर ऑफ मैनी गर्ल्स. तो वी विल जस्ट पुट अ लिटिल ग्रे रोज हियर. नाउ सिंस देयर इज ऑलरेडी वाइट हियर तो ये ग्रे रोज थोड़ा सा लेस दिखेगा. ओके, देन अगेन वी विल टेक अ परेशान ब्लू. Do a little परेशान blue here, SSA, and इधर थोड़ा सा SSA. Then we will take a violet again and give a little violet tinge here. Okay, but that's not enough. Here we have to do gully gully with whites and remove the colors out, and here you have to just do it gully gully ka 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 kuch ka. Okay, so this will be one side. Here also you're supposed to shade it well. Then we'll go with the skin colors. Okay, now just to define this part, what you're supposed to do is, see, this is her sleeves coming from behind and this is her dress. Okay, see how differently this is been done. Abhi isme we have used so many colors, but every color is defined on its own. Abhi hum logo ko lene ka hai, what we are going to take is a skin color. I have all the colors in my hand and it's just, this is the skin because it's the hand. Actually it is the deep yellow color. We are just coloring the entire hand first, just simply coloring it. Okay, after that we are going to put the shades. Now for her ungliyan, so this is the part. Okay, I should not use a pencil because many of y'all might not be having it, so we are using the Germany wala orange. Actually these are very minute colors ना, तो कलर्स करने में परेशानी होती है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वो नहीं हो सकता, सब कुछ हो सकता है. So just I have taken my Germany wala orange and given a tinge here, and this ungli will be defined like that because she is holding it. And a little Germany wala orange here just to define the hand, and the thumb needs to be colored well. Okay, we can use a little gande wala brown too. Okay, now this will be again Germany wala orange here. You all will understand what it is only after the drawing is done. This is the hand. Okay, and here we are just giving it a, this is the elbow part. You don't have to define your drawing, you just have to do it. Okay, so the hand is done. Now what we can do is, I will use another color for the brush. I am using my sap green dandi wala brush so that it is well understood that this is a pencil or a brush. Or you can put your which color should I use? I should use my this for the bristles of the brush. Okay, so this much is done. Now we'll concentrate on this hand. So to concentrate on this hand, again we will have a little bit of orange colors flowing down like that, and the thumb well defined. Then we'll use a pencil just to give certain tinge, not complete. Okay, then we'll use a gande wala brown here. Don't finish it off. Okay, after that again we are using a sap green for the brush, and we have to use one more color. So let's go with gray. Okay, so let's make this gray, and if we are making the brush, let's make it this color. We'll put a little gande wala brown too. So let the brush be this, and a little gande wala brown just to define it. Okay, you can just comb it. बहुत बड़ा ब्रश बन गया, पर चलेगा। ये हमारे बड़े ब्रशेस वाली लड़की है, बिग ब्रशेस शी होल्ड्स। ओके, now let's make the canvas. The canvas will go orange here. Hey, I did a mistake. The brush bristles will not come here because she's painting on the other side. So this will be hidden, okay? It will become wrong if I do that. Then we have to take a Prishan blue hai, bichara Prishan hai. Let's do a different color here. Yeah. Then let's take a violet. Let's cover it violet here. Okay, now we can take our whites and do a little bit of gully gully so that we get a little tinge here, a little tinge here. And yes, what should we do? We should do a normal orange here. This is the stand portion. And of course a little yellow. We should use as many colors as possible. Please use it. I don't know whether this drawing will be suitable for you, the girl who has asked me, but I purposely removed a little difficult drawing than usual. Why? Because see, winning criteria comes when the drawing is done differently. See, as girl, there will be many children who will be wanting to become an artist and they will be trying to do a drawing where they will show you that they are, see, this is the canvas board facing this side. She's drawing this side, okay? Now we can start coloring this part. Nay, let's not make this. Let's make it yellow. Okay, we will define it. Oh, I have so many colors. I'll have to keep it. अभी Persian blue लेते हैं stand के लिए ऐसे. फिर हम थोड़ा सा purple ले लेते हैं. फिर थोड़ा सा white ले लेते हैं. You can do अंडू गुंडू नार गुंडू, okay? It's not necessary you have to paint the way I am painting it. But yes, if you do not understand, if you paint it the way I am painting it, it will happen for you. Okay, so this is the stand. Now this is a stand. Okay, so I'm doing this with pencil. I'll put a little bit of color because then it looks virana otherwise. Okay, now we'll change the color because इधर सब पर्पल ज़्यादा हो गया. तो ये डंडी को हम लोगों ने पर्पल किया, लेकिन ये डंडी को हम लोग सिर्फ पर्पल नहीं करेंगे, उसके साथ इसके ऊपर ही वाइट कर देंगे, बट विदाउट डूइंग मच चेंजेस इन इट. Then what we will do is make this डंडा पर्शियन ब्लू, पर पर्शियन ब्लू के साथ ही हम लोग ऑरेंज मिक्स कर देंगे. Make it colorful. Okay? अभी ये वाला ओए होए की कर देता, बताते बताते ही मेरा फैल जाता है. Anyways, we'll do this डंडा plain color and we'll mix yellow here. Now, since her dress is this color, we will take a little bit of I don't know, I keep on losing my colors. I don't get it where I put my colors. Okay, so we put a little bit of blacks here because it's the shadow area. We have put in a little what you call violet because her dress is somewhat violet. We put this, then we put white and guli guli. Okay, now this is her dress area which goes down like that. We don't have to complete it, okay? And now we will use a little bit of light blue here. Okay, we'll do the belt. We'll do a little light blue here. Okay, since this part is not looking that good, let me put a little light blue here too. And yes, here. Now let's make her belt, and then we just have to do a little colorful background. हमारी आवाज़ छीन ली है किसने? आवाज़ चुराई मेरी किसने सनम तुमने? मेरे ने खोपड़ी नहीं चली थी। ये हम लोग है ना, इसको इससे करते थे तो इतना मोटा नहीं आता था। अगर तुम लोग बच्चा पार्टी बना रहे हो तो ये ब्रिसल्स को इतना मोटा मत बनाना, थोड़ा गंदा लग रहा है, बट आई कांट हेल्प इट, आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट. So this is done, children, with the oil pastels. Now we will play with our watercolors. So we'll get our watercolors soon. It's here, it's near me. Yeah, it's here with me. And we're going to give a nice, see, these are my watercolors, and we're going to give a nice background with watercolors so that everything starts looking really artistic. We could have done the entire drawing with watercolors, but I avoided. Now, Abhi, I don't have purple with me. If you all are having, see, I'm taking a little bit of blue, putting a little bit of blue here, and just chip chack. Okay, I'll take a little bit of blue here also and do a little chip chack. Okay, now what we will do is we will take reds. Okay, let us put a little red here. See, this is not the ordinary watercolors. I'm just giving some splashes. Correct? I'm not doing the way I usually do, color the entire background. But I'm just giving a little splash. Okay. Now I'll take orange. Okay. And with my red, I'm putting a little orange here. Splashes of colors. Okay. Differently done. Because she is an artist and we have to respect an artist. Okay, and we'll put a little orange here. Now we are going to put a little bit of splash. Abhi splash kaun se color ka? Yes, we'll do green. We have not used green at all, so we'll just use a little bit of green. Okay, and we'll just go splash of colors and splash of colors. This will make your drawing look more artistic. Remember that. Okay, just a splash, Okay, this is well done. A splash. And you don't have to worry about your drawing. Oh my God, run away. Okay, so done. So an artistic drawing of a girl drawing, painting is done, children. Am I in figure? Yes, I am. So it's done, and if there is any changes you require to do it yourself, you can. Yes, you can do it yourself. इधर जैसे थोड़ा सा फेस को डिफाइन करना है तो आप डिफाइन कर सकते हो. स्माइल को डिफाइन करना आप कर सकते हो. Please do it. Post it. I know it might be a little tough for someone, but always give a try to tough drawings. Actually, this is more simpler than the drawings which you have been making, but the only thing is that you need a good practice on your hand. That's it. So please do make it and post it on Canvas and Scissors. Bye bye.